Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you all about this hairstyle that I have right here. This is a highly requested video, not just from my subscribers but from people at work, from my friends. Everybody want me to show them how I got this hairstyle. Alright, so first let me show you the hairstyle that everyone wanted me to do. I'm going to show you a picture right here or right here. I don't know which side. Probably right here. Now in that hairstyle I used a different hair. I used a different type of hair. I actually used a twist out crochet braid versus a braid out. This is a braid out crochet braid. So let me just show you really quick. What I did use before was this here. And it's just a bunch of twists. And this is what the girl looks like on the front here. So I had to go with an alternative. I had to go with this alternative here. And to be honest with you, I think it looks more realistic to my hair. The thickness of my hair looks like it's more compatible. It looks more like my hair than the other one did. However, I love both of them. I really like this one. I didn't have to do any unraveling, but anyway, I will get more into that when I'm describing how I actually got this hairstyle. So first things first, I already went on ahead and washed my hair. I had to pretty much wash it, decondition it. I did a hot oil treatment, did all the good stuff that I do before I put my hair into a protective style. Now I love doing protective styles, mostly crochet braids, because it allows me to have my hair down or make it look like my hair is down. It's not just like one hairstyle, even though it is one hairstyle, but it's down. I also like my tucked away hairstyles, also my tucked away protective styles. However, my favorite, my go-to, my ride or dies are my crochet braids. So I just now recently started doing this half up and half down just to give my edges a break, because you know I'm not trying to lose these edges no time soon. So I decided to start splitting my hair in two, and sometimes I'll put a bun up, and then sometimes I'll just like flat twist them down and then put like a headband on, so it make it like an illusion like my hair is just back, right? But today let me show you how I got this style. As you can see, it's more crochet in the back, and up here I got this bun. So what I did was section my hair off into two sections, and I cornrowed my hair back in about, I think it's 8 cornrows. I cornrowed my hair back into 8 cornrows, and in the back portion of it I pulled them all together, braided it down, and then I rolled it into like a little ball in the back and pretty much bobby pinned it together. And at the top I pretty much just pulled it all up into a ponytail and wrapped a scrunchie around it and got some gel and gelled the sides up, pulled the baby hair down like that, and then I tied it down for about maybe about 15 minutes. I like to tie my hair down before I actually put the crochet braids in, because I don't know, for me it's like, it just makes it look neater. I don't know, and everything is like laid and it just looks better to me. So tied it down for about 15 minutes, and then it was time to get the style popping. So what I did was grab my crochet utensil here. They all look alike. I feel like I was trying to find a different color one. I've had this one for 3 years now, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's like, you can't see it, it's like tape all around it. Anyway, this is the crochet tool that you're going to use, okay? And the hair that I chose to use, the hair that I use today is this Expression African Collection Snap pre-looped 3 times more crochet braids. And like I said, this is a braid out 12 inches and it is the number 1. I like these crochet braids better because it looks more like my hair. So with the crochet utensil, I pretty much took the utensil, slipped it through the braid, grabbed a piece of hair, pulled it through, then pulled the 2 pieces that were left on the other side. I pulled them through the loop and pulled it tight. That's how I got the crochet to go through. I have a more detailed tutorial on how I do the crochet braids, like a real detailed tutorial on my YouTube page. And what I'll do is I'll either put it in one of the cards up. I put it in both, in one of the cards up, and then I'll also put it in the description box, so you can just pretty much go there and click, and you get a more detailed description as to how to actually do the crochet braids. So that's what I did, and I just pretty much did that all the way throughout my hair. And when I got to the top, I just made it a little bit more tighter so it can just look a little bit more realistic. I'm not really into trying to make fake hair look real. I mean, it's fake and it's an illusion. It's crochet braids. Sometimes people ask me, is that real? And I'd be like, no, this is crochet braids. And they'd be like, oh my God, how did you do that? And I'd be like, check out my YouTube channel. Alright, so that's pretty much what I do in the back. And then now at the top, like I said, I go ahead, gel that up, and then I had some extra pieces of the other hair, and I pretty much wrapped that around my little ponytail so it can make a bigger ponytail and it can make a bigger bun. So that's the illusion. Pretty much you just wrap extra hair around it. You pretty much wrap the fake hair around your hair to make the bun bigger. And then I went back, and to give it the texture of this hair, I just pretty much went back in with the extra pieces. I bobby pinned them in and wrapped them around, and bam, there's the style. I'm telling y'all, super, super easy. Very, very easy. Oh, and then I had to cut it even. Well, not too even, but I just brought it to the front, cut it to about right here. As you can see, I love this length. I'm like really loving the thickness. I'm loving the texture of this. I'm definitely gonna get this hair again. So yeah, that is what I did to get this style. This style here is definitely my go-to. I love it. I love my hair off my face. And this style makes me look girly, and then I can dress it down, I can dress it up. It's not in my face. I can keep, you know, hair off my face, so I keep my face clean, no oils and things like that. So yeah, this is my go-to. I love it. I'm gonna have to come show you guys some more styles. I'm thinking about some other styles, maybe 2 buns. I don't know. I'll do something fun with my crochet braids. Okay, so that is how I got this style. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description box. I would love to answer, well, I'm gonna try to answer all of your questions as they come in. And until next time, stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity, and always remember to put God first and faith at the forefront of your mind. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.